In today's video, we're featuring the top 5 best free AI tools that allow you to create unlimited AI videos completely for free. So, without any further delay, let's get started.
Alright, now I'm going to first demonstrate how you can create videos using Microsoft AI. You'll notice that there are quite a few templates available right here. By utilizing these templates, you'll be able to generate either videos or images. As you can clearly see, both images and videos are present here. Here, when you click on the toolline option, you will be able to generate the video quite fast from this point. However, if you wish to generate the video using the standard model, then it will certainly take a longer time. So, we're going to generate this quickly and you'll be making an 8-second video. I've set the aspect ratio to YouTube's long video size and I've given it our specific prompt. So as you can see, our video has now been successfully generated. I'm going to play this video for you now so you can see it. So,
with Microsoft AI, you will be able to create videos without any limits whatsoever. Yes.
Alright, so now you're being shown Meta AI, and with Meta AI, you'll be able to create an unlimited number of videos. Now, how exactly will you be able to use this Meta AI? If you simply open up Facebook Messenger or perhaps WhatsApp, you'll easily find Meta AI there. And from that platform, you can then generate an unlimited amount of videos just like this. Another powerful AI platform is Qwen 3.7. You'll find the app available on the Google Play Store. Here, you simply select the video option and then provide your prompt. You can create 5 videos every day from a single account. And if you create unlimited accounts, you can generate an unlimited number of videos from this platform.
Alright, now the specific details of this particular video are without a doubt exceptionally high.
Okay, the platform I'm going to show you now is PixVerse AI. From here, you'll find unlimited templates, including many viral ones. You can create any kind of video you wish. You'll just click on the login option. After clicking the login option, you'll then see the sign up button right here. Once you click on sign up, I'm going to teach you a useful trick. You've already taken a look at this particular website, but you'll need to obtain the email address from this very website. This is where you'll have to customize it. You will first write down the email address and then right here, customize my email. From here, other templates don't really work. Most of them are practically non-functional. Then you'll enter your password here. After that, click on the continue option and then you'll need to input the confirmation password here. I'm showing you this because I'm demonstrating this specific website. With this website, you can very easily create things by utilizing templates from here. Other templates, however, simply do not work within this PixVerse. For this reason, I'm primarily showing you the sign up option. After that, I've provided the code and then you'll need to enter a nickname here. Firstly, you'll notice our referral code option and here it will actually give you 100 coins completely free. So please make sure to use this referral code. If you prefer, you can certainly use someone else's referral code. There's absolutely no problem with that. I'm just giving this for your convenience. Then just enter any username like ABCD, no problem. There you go. After entering, you can see it's loading. Right now, it's displaying the total number of coins we've acquired. Take a look, we've successfully obtained 160 coins. And if we proceed to scroll further down, you'll clearly see that we're able to claim an additional 40 coins right from here. So we've just gone ahead and claimed those coins. Now we can go ahead and generate a video. To generate a video, we need to go to the home button. We have now arrived at the home button. So here you can see the plus icon and options like text to video, image to video, everything is available. You can generate this video through any medium you prefer. So I'll provide a prompt and then from here, you'll be able to select the aspect ratio and you can create 3 videos from this platform completely for free. After that, if you have coins, you will need to watch advertisements to generate your video. So I have generated the video and as you can see, here is the video's quality. And now this watermark that's showing, how will you remove this watermark? So you can see there's a share button. Click on the share button. I'm showing you how you can download videos without a watermark. After sharing, then you'll use this app, Qwen browser. So Qwen browser, or rather just use Qwen browser. Open Qwen browser. This is how you will share this video, any watermark you might want. You can share any video in this manner or simply copy the URL and paste it in this browser. So I have downloaded it. I'm downloading and showing it to you. There is no watermark whatsoever, okay?
Alright, I'm now showing you this using the Google Vivo 3 Ultra. So with the Google Vivo 3 Ultra, you'll be able to create such smooth videos. I'm currently using the Omni Flash version for this. I've already finished creating the video. Now I'm going to play it for all of you to see, and it also provides 50 credits to you every single day.
If you want more free AI tutorials, please comment and subscribe to our channel right now and stay with us. See you in the next video. Thank you.